van just caught on fire.
Alright, so what happened?
We lost a piece of the block.
Obviously,
little fire came in the car.
that's a big chunk right there.
Yeah.
You guys have a spare motor for it?
Yeah, we should be alright.
So you're just gonna throw another motor in, you'd be good?
Yeah, we'll be alright.
What is the setup on it?
1.8 20 valve, 4-cylinder, Garrett GTX 67mm turbo.
How much power is it making?
Around 1,000. Maybe more, maybe less.
You want this one, the other one?
That one's fine.
Volkswagen guys are so resourceful.
Blowing up motors.
Alright, we'll have a couple more of those because you obviously need it.
Well,
that's a rough day.
We'll see you guys
Did you get a full pass?
No. It crossed the line though. It went like 10 something.
So technically you made a qualifier.
We made a qualifier, yeah. We got a 10, 10-9. We're getting there. It's like World Cup from 10 years ago.
Yeah. Alright, is it running yet?
Morning, guys. Yeah, we got it running last night.
What time was the first start at?
It's like 12:15. Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Nah.
Oh, you guys got some good sleep at least. What are you hoping to do ET-wise?
Better than it's gone before.
What's the person?
870.
Jesus.
So, yeah, just trying to improve on that.
You're just trying to get a personal best. You're not going for any records, but if you happen to get a record.
Yeah, just trying to qualify good and, you know.
I'm glad you got the engine in. Good luck today, man.
Thanks.
This thing caught on fire yesterday, and you took it apart and put it back together and just ran your personal best?
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy. Fred was freaking out on the starting line when he told me that, man. Congratulations, man. That's badass, dude. We've got a hood on the track. We've got a hood on the track.
Somebody get him short to take a picture and start.
Where's the intake?
Oh, go, go.
Volkswagen guys does it take to get to the 4th round of World Cup Finals? These guys are family. They're always fixing each other's stuff to make it through rounds. What the hell's going on?
Just put it in transit.
What, just put a new tranny in?
Normal for us.
Yeah, every year you guys are doing some stupid. By the way, while we're talking about Volkswagen things, James with the car that was the quickest a couple days ago, quickest Volkswagen in the US, he just had his baby. He made it to the hospital and had 20 minutes there with his wife before they had their kids. So pretty awesome. Now I've got to film this for him so you can miss out, or you can see what he's missing out on with his boys. This is hilarious. There's like 15 guys who are just making it work.
Holy sh**. You just beat the number 2 qualifier. Holy sh**. Holy crap.
What are you stealing from James's car?
Now just the selected.
What is it?
Just selected.
Oh, that's not a big deal. Did it break at the end of the track? Not going to that last gear?
He doesn't really know if it broke or if it was the tower when he went to 4th gear.
How much time do you think you need? I'll run up there.
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Alright, go tell him.
15.
I'll see what I can do. Yep. Hell yeah! Made it! So when did you guys replace?
We just swapped out another trans.
You did?
Yeah. So we kind of beat our record on the last one.
Go ahead, trans out of James's car.
We took it out of James's car, the guy who left
I
earlier
left you
today.
guys for like 15 minutes.
Well,
Oh my god!
it gets tighter in between rounds, so we gotta do what we gotta do.
Holy shit. You guys are crazy. Good luck, man.
Passenger doors locked.
What happened? No. Hey, it's better than James's transmission.